My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So today the concept is in Amazon EC2, we have successfully created EC2 instances, okay, through Ansible Playbook. Yes, right? So please rewind the particular topic. Okay. So we successfully created an instance through Playbook from Ansible server. That's a Ansible host. Okay. We don't have any problem in that area. The next question is, so during the instance creation, you can check that some information we have manually mentioned that. So anybody can tell me which information while creating the EC2 instance creation through Playbook, what information we mention in the Playbook area. Some information before we creating the EC2 instance through AML file, the task you should already creating on the Amazon Web Services environment. So what is that information? Any guesses? I'll give the clue. Okay. So maybe if you without that information, if you created that instance, you're not able to log in. I know what is that? Without that information, so without that data, a administrator would not able to log into the Amazon EC2 instance. May I know what is that information is missing here? No questions? Sorry?
Keep
That's correct answer. Okay. That's a correct answer. Keeper. It's very simple question. Very simple question, right? So without that information, we are unable to logging in. Fine. So why we are unable to logging in? What is the reason? Because as per security, when we are connecting the system remotely, we need a password. Password is configure. Okay, password is required to configure. Example, suppose we are creating Nginx instance, we're creating Tomcat instance. Okay, so here if this machine is created without key pair, okay, example, he is an administrator, how he will be logging in? So he is not inside the cloud, right? He's not inside the cloud. So it's a very difficult to connecting this, okay, the server, and we can check any configuration, any modification is required. We are unable to connect this. By default, the process is like maybe is a virtual machine or maybe physical machine. Okay. Example, this is physical machine. Hmm? This is a virtual machine. A person is directly, okay, is a person is directly connecting this machine, okay, even without password, that's fine. No issues. Because the user is directly connecting to this machine. User is directly connecting to this machine. But when this machines is created, okay, created in the network, example, maybe this is a LAN, local area network. This is in a WAN, wide area network. Okay. If the same setup, if the same setup, if they created, example, the machine was created in the WAN, maybe in the same LAN, which is connecting through a network, which is connecting through a network. Understood? Suppose this is a network. This is a network. So this VM is connecting to the network. This physical machine is connecting to the network, and user able to communicate each other. No problem directly. But in the same network, other machine, the user is connecting through one system to another system, like this to this, maybe this to this, maybe this to this, maybe this to this. So that will be a remote connection. Here, instead of they'll be connecting directly, remotely, these systems require a password. Similarly, user is trying to connect externally the missions. Even this machine also need a password need to set up. Without password, as per security concern, the machine will not allow. Everybody understand this basic concept, guys? Don't be silent because of this is a very, very important concept. So without setting in the password in the remotely, either LAN or WAN, you're unable to connect the system. If you want, you can try. No problem. Okay. You can create one Windows CC2 instance without password, without key pair. Can you please try to connect the machine? Will able to communicate? What is the security? First of all. So in AWS environment, we need a key pair. So in the last session, okay, I have successfully created Ansible playbook, right? For EC2 instance creation. So let's get connected from the WinSCP. Okay, let's connect from the WinSCP. Username is missing. What is the username? EC2?
Easy to use, sir.
Is it EC2 user or Ubuntu? Ubuntu, right? Ubuntu, I think. Ubuntu. Okay. We are not created Ansible server in Amazon Linux. We created in Ubuntu. Demo project, demo EC2 hyphen creation. This is a file. Now I will open with I'm selecting this remember editor next time. You can see this. See guys, demo setup YAML file. So when we are configuring this, so now here there is an option called key pair, key name. Suppose we can create a instance without key pair is possible. So just in this keyboard, we can remove this, okay? Or maybe you can comment this and we can create the instance. That is absolutely possible, but login is not possible. Okay, suppose when we are giving this information, suppose Ansible demo key pair file is unfortunately deleted in the Amazon EC2 console. So this script will run. This script will run. No, right? This script will get failed. Why? So this script is clearly telling that, guys, you please understand, whenever we are giving this information, okay, it is not available. Okay, it is not available. It will not create, the step will get failed. So that's a unsuccessful configuration file we are created here. But actually in the last class, it is successfully completed. Even we tried for multiple times, the instance is created. So every time this is not possible, suppose as of now, you didn't created any Ansible file. You didn't created any Ansible file. You didn't created any Ansible file. But you want to create some instances, okay? With the help of key pair, the key pair also we need to create through Ansible Playbook and automatically generating the private password file, and we will keep save in a secure location in Ansible server. So that is a main requirement we need to set up today. There's a few things we need to learn. That's a very, very important. That's one of the item is key pair creation through YAML file. Perfect. So coming to this dashboard, we have a docs.ansible.com. The page is there. We can go here, and page is now it's a changed to a new window. So previous window is very pretty simple, and you can directly click the some kind of box symbols and directly take into the Ansible modules. But now uh, the console is changed. We can check this list of index modules. Okay. So this is the index modules and index of all modules. If you click that, you'll get this all modules like this index of all modules. Okay. This is a very, very big screen. So very lengthy page is there. Very lengthy page for all the cloud services, okay, related other vendor based applications, okay, Amazon, Azure, Cisco, so all the type of nowadays wherever we are using the environment, all kind of modules are released in this page. Okay. So in the first area itself, the Amazon.aws modules is available based on your requirement. Based on your requirement, see list of multiple items are there. Multiple items, nearly 30 to 50 modules are available. Okay, based on your requirement. Like example, manage RDS, manage relational database services. RDS cluster module. So cluster module creation. Gather AWS Lambda function details. This is a different. So guys, I'm giving this link. Okay. I'm giving this link to everyone. So please save this file in a favorites on your browser. Okay. Whenever you're free, you please go and just look at it. So then only you can keep on. I have some kind of the body of the module creation. You can easily understand. So now, once you click this, you'll get redirected to this page. Okay. Amazon EC2 key module creation, create and delete EC2 key pair. So clearly they mention this document. Okay. So the particular task, you can check this. You can check this. This is the example they provided. So example, we can directly take and modify, but what is the purpose they created? The purpose we need to just to demonstrate. Okay. Hands-on, we need to create a AML file and we need to see the live output. Then only you can understand. But every action is creating is very difficult. Okay, it'll take a more time. So my point of view, uh, the very important things in our environment, Amazon EC2 instance creation, key pair file setups, and the security group creations. Okay, so kind of a cluster creations. So these are the 3 to 4 items I'll be presenting in this class. Are you okay? Right? So few things we will be scenario based, we will take it, and then we will be completing our project. So as per the project wise, we are doing that. So project will be, this project is something is different and some other project will be get different. Maybe other modules are required for you. So based on your more practice, you'll get a more confident about to creating the AML files. Otherwise, no. So let's start that. And I'm going to connect Putty again. Okay. ls. Now demo project 1. Demo project 1. And one more important information here, requirements. When you want to create this, the requirements is needed. Okay. So last class we discussed about Boto installation. Okay. So because of Ansible and Amazon EC2, when you want to connecting each other, wants to deliver any kind of output, the related Botos we need to install it. Okay. So now Boto 3 is required, Boto core is required, Python is required. Hopefully, these Botos already we installed it. Yes or no? So last class we successfully installed it. So we don't want to install it again. So this is the prerequisite for doing a task. So normally in manual graphical method, we are installing some kind of .NET frameworks and some kind of prerequisites will be installing. Then after that, application server are running, Visual C++. So frameworks. Same way, here Botos are required. Botos and Pythons are required. That you need to check this. Okay, let's create a new playbook. First, we need to create one more project because of this is another concept like demo hyphen keypair. Demo hyphen keypair mkdir, created a new directory, cd demo keypair. I have connected this. So now I need to create a file vim. What's the file name? Create keypair.aml file. So maybe you can, if you want to give some kind of a description like this. So create a playbook keypair. So even your wish. So now the file is open. Then I don't want to do any changes here in this command terminal. Escape. I closed it. If you type ls, this file is readily available. This file is readily available. Now I can go to editor and demo project, only one is available. Remaining one more project is not available. Let's refresh it. Okay, we got it. Demo keypair. Open this. This is a creator playbook hyphen keypair. YAML file is available now. So now I have remembered this notepad++. So that's why the notepad++ is available with editor option. So you can do this. Maybe any other editor also, you can do the same level. Now successfully connected. Now we need to write this. So the indentation. Next, you can give name. What is the name? Create or setup. Okay. Create or setup. EC2 key pair. So that's one we are creating. So where we are creating? Hosts. So in which server we are creating it? So in the same server, so that means in Ansible server itself, if you want to creating the key pair files, you can give the name called localhost. Otherwise, if you're creating in another machine means the destination server details, we need to mention this. That's the remote connectivity. Uh, the path we need to mention that. So I'm creating an Ansible server itself. So obviously the connection is not a remote, it's a local. Okay. So collecting the fact. So artifactory. So evidence. Gather facts. I'm setting up no, not required. That's it. Now we can start work on creating the key pair information. So first we will be creating the tasks. First we will be creating the tasks. So tasks we need to give this inside the task. Hey, you need to create a key pair. The key pair name is equal to this, and this is a key pair for EC2 key, and where we need to create what is the register information, and those information update we need to provide. Example, now the task is the name create EC2, okay, key pair. Here key pair your wish. Next, the EC2 key pair, the EC2 key. So in that sub information we need to update. Hey, what is the key name? So any name you can provide. Any name you can provide it. So example, I'm giving the name demo Ansible key. This is the name I'm providing it. Huh? This is a name I'm providing it. After that, we need to give the information. So the task is register. So that means the particular key will be update in the system we called register. So the name you can provide. So demo key pair information. So that's it. But when we are running this key pair, whether it'll work. Let's see. So go to File, Save. Mostly Notepad++, what are the information we are typing automatically save is auto saving tool. So you'll not lose any data here. Now I'm going to Putty, Ansible, hyphen, Playbook. What is the name? Create a playbook key pair. We are running this. Some error we have received it. So what is the error? Could not resolve module action EC2 key. This often indicates misspelling, missing collection, incorrect module path. The error appears to be /home Ubuntu demo key pair create line number 8, but may offending the line appears to be key pair is here. Let's I can add one more information. Debugging the information in a message. Okay. The register value is the right. This information I'll be written in the message level. I want to display the output. So debug MSG message double. Now
Rajesh, it should be easy to underscore key. It's not easy to hyphen key.
right. So here, okay, anyhow, we will display the output. Okay. So then we can easily get that the value as what is generated, anything. So first we will be giving hyphen only, then we can create it, then we can modify Mahesh. Okay. So can give the flower bracket closing and opening. So we can give 2 times. So in between that, this information we need to update. This information we need to display here. Done. Now can go to File, Save. So this is the main problem. Let's we can go to modify underscore. So here everything I give an underscore only by manual mistake. Now it is running. Okay, what is the message we are getting? Let me clear the screen and we can display once again, guys. Okay. So play setup EC2 key pair successfully executed. So that means here, right? Next task, create EC2 key pair. Now it is running task, create EC2 key pair. It successfully run. Next, so create a EC2 key pair. In that fatal error, the failed changed false message EC2 key pair model requires a region and none of the found configuration environment variables module parameters. So failed. So what do you mean that? Anybody can tell me? So this information, okay, looks good, but this information unable to they create it. This information, they are unable to create it. What is the reason they are unable to create it?
It's like in which region we are going to create.
Exactly. So in which region we are going to create this key pair? So key pairs are not global variable, right? Key pair is a global variable, a region specific variable. Which one is the correct one? Example, if you're going to EC2 console, now scroll down, under the network and security, key pairs are there. So these key pairs, Ansible demo key pair, RDS key pair. So this is created in Singapore. So let's duplicate this window and I'm going to other location like Mumbai, whether these two key pairs are available on that location. Can you please check that? It is available. Hmm? See, RDS key pair. Is RDS key pair is available? No. So what do you mean that? This is a region specific information. So this is not a global information. Maybe it's a default information like that. It will not take. So we need to specify the the particular environment where we are creating it. So actually, Ansible is a configuration management tool. So configuration management tool means if you are informed that, it will tell that. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, no. Let's modify this. Name, under the name, region, I will create it. Region, I'll be creating it. The region name I'll mention. I'll go to Singapore. Copy this. Paste. Go to File. Save. Again, some error is coming. So previous error is we fixed it. Okay. Previous error we fixed it. Okay. So again, I'll do more information on the region. Okay. Because of a variable declaration, the mentioning the updating the region information through variable declaration. Okay. So I will explain that. So, but under one more message we got it. An exception during the task execution to see the full trace back, use -vvv. The error was EC2 key failure, unable to locate the credentials, fatal local host. So because of the failed Boto3 version 1.22034. Mhm. Boto3 version. So what is the version is here? 1.18. Here is a 1.20 and Boto core version is 1.23. So change the fail message unable to locate the credentials, finding the error. So again, we need to install the Boto. So what is the command? What is the command to install Boto?
sudo yum install
Sudo yum
yum
install.
install python 3 hyphen boto
Sudo yum install
python 3 hyphen boto
Python 3
3 hyphen boto.
hyphen Boto. Any other?
For
Sudo.
boto core,
Mm-hmm. Boto core.
python 3 python 3 hyphen boto core.
Python 3 hyphen Boto core. Any other modules is still required? These two modules only, right? Boto 3, Boto core. Boto 3, Boto core. I think is Python 3, Boto 3, Mahesh. Huh? So Python 3, Boto core.
Yeah, python 3 boto 3.
So Boto is a base version, na? Okay. It won't support actually.
APT, sir. Sudo APT.
Sudo apt install. It's already available. Newer version is already available. Let's pause the record. I'm trying this based on the error. So we have an article here is mentioning that these three requirements is there. So I'm doing the manually installing each and every Python 3.6, Boto 3, 1.18 manually. You can see here. Then next, okay. Now installing the Python. So unable to acquire the depackaging the front end lock. So there's another process is using it. So processor is 2314. Hmm. Okay. So now we need to give some time for the previous step and this step. So then the previous task is completed. Then the process handlers will be getting free. Then we need to install it. Okay. Then I need to give Y and I need to install it here. So successfully install Python version. Okay. Next. So now I'm running this. So still the message I'm getting. So both are 3 version, both are core. So both are getting failed. So Python is already installed. So we can use this. We can use this and we can go to 18, right? 18.0 sudo apt install this command. Let me try. No such directory. So Mahesh, what is the directory we have used last time for Boto installation?
That's user bin.
Right? Can you tell me that?
Certain user bin.
1 minute. cd user bin. Next.
Later I don't remember. Just here this. I think here Python will be there. Here only we ran the command.
Here only, right? Directly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Here we should use Python 3 hyphen Boto 3.
Install Python 3 hyphen Boto 3. Then 1.80. No. Already
It's
new version is there. Already
yeah.
1.20.34 is there. But why this error is coming? Maybe any latest version we can update?
Sir, last time one local host command is used,
Can you tell me that what's the local host command?
but I don't know. Lengthy command, you copy the command in site and try it, then it will be
Mhm. Okay, that's lengthy command only this month. Okay, so that day actually Boto3 code, all the commands I ran in single line. Okay, so the same command we are split into multiple level. We are doing this actually. Okay, both are same. The
Where
same command. Mm. Any other solution for this?
Rajesh, can you paste that YAML file? Meanwhile, I'll check back again my system.
Okay, do you want my AML file is required for you?
Yeah, yeah.
1 minute.
You paste the
Let me see.
content of the file.
This content is fine for you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me ping. You can check that. Maybe indentation is missing. You please alter your Notepad++ file. So what is the latest version, Boto 3 version? See, 1.26.124 is a Boto 3 version, latest one. 126, 124. Suppose, guys.
I got something like
Mhm.
so I got something like this. So just no penguin shot.
Yeah, that's what. So the same, I want to copy and save the file into the specific location. Okay. Maybe I'll be doing in a different, maybe you'll be doing a different way. Okay, both are same thing. Okay, let me create that one. Okay, let's continue. So now the location we have specified successfully, register information we provided, okay, like a demo key pair information. And after that, so we are debugging information will be updated, and where we need to store this file. So now I'm going to use a copy, okay, and inside this copy we have the which information we need to take care of it. So that's basically, this is the one, this information we need to copy it. So now the information is nothing but content. Okay, content is we can double quotes here, between this we need to create it. So demo information we need to copy, we had to put here, dot key dot private underscore key information, and the file module name is modis 0600. So anything is missing here? Gather facts is no, task is fine, connection is local, not a local host. Okay, connection is a local, localhost. Now I'm saving here. Then I can go here, clear screen. CD demo. Now here Ansible. Playbook. Now we need to run this. Okay. So one more information is missing. Destination in the same directory. So the name will be get created. Demo key pair. Demo key pair dot pem file. Okay. File save. No. So the problem is the prerequisites only, Mahesh, that we need to fix it.
Okay.
Maybe some some Boto versions are missing. So especially the Boto
Is it
3
like,
version.
can we try Ansible hyphen playbook first page hyphen I post?
Same command.
Ansible hyphen
That's it, right?
space, right? Yeah, space post space.
Same error. Prerequisites is clearly failing, right? Maybe that we need to address it. Have you successfully created?
No, I didn't try this.
You didn't try it? Okay, fine. Okay, last 10 minutes. Let me try one more time. Let me pause the record.